Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have some updates for you in the Vallow Daybell case for July 28th, 2020. Here we go. Yesterday we had a hearing on the motion to reconsider that was filed by Rob Wood, arguing that cameras should not be allowed for the preliminary hearings. It was a pretty quick hearing, all things considered, and the end result was that Judge Eddins ruled that his previous order regarding cameras being allowed in the courtroom will stand. Now, the way it's going to work is, if the preliminary hearings are in-person hearings, there will be one camera, a pool camera, that will be covering the hearing, and that will be streamed out by various media sources, including yours truly, so you'll be able to watch the hearings right here with me. If the hearings will not be held in person, then they will be streamed via Zoom to Judge Eddins' YouTube page the way that we have been doing in the past. So, either way, we're going to get to see the preliminary hearings. I'm very excited about that. Present at the hearing were Rob Wood, the prosecutor on the case, John Pryor and Chad Daybell for Chad's defense. Lori was absent from the hearing, noticeably, but her attorney Mark Means was present. We also saw attorney Steve Wright, who was retained by East Idaho News to represent local and national media outlets in their argument for cameras in the courtroom. One of the best lines from the entire hearing was when Mark Means was giving one of his quick little recaps of his argument, and he said, "Well, the cat's out of the bag." You think? If you're not sure what the preliminary hearing is, I do have a video up. I'll put an iCard up above and a description down below where you can watch my explanation of what is a preliminary hearing, what is it for, and what can we expect to see. So hopefully you'll check that out. In other news today, another part of the legal proceeding that we've been keeping our eye on was the conflict of interest issue raised by Rob Wood at an earlier hearing. Apparently, Mark Means, Lori's attorney, could have possibly had a conflict of interest in representing both parties. However, hearings were held and these were sealed, so we will not get to see or hear what happened in them, possibly until after the trial, if ever. But we have Judge Eddins' ruling before us today. It says, "Sealed hearings were held regarding a potential attorney conflict of interest. The court listened carefully to the oral arguments and thoroughly reviewed documents submitted by the state and counsel for the defendant. After exhaustive analysis, the court finds that any conflict of interest has been adequately waived for the current proceedings. The case can proceed forward with current counsel." What that means is that Lori gets to keep Mark Means as her attorney for her case. So, that's all the news that I have for you so far today. All of the documents, including all of the motions regarding the cameras in the courtroom and today's ruling by Judge Eddins, are all posted up in the Discord channel, so if you'd like to see those, come on over and grab them. Discord is completely free to use, and we have tons of mods around who will help you navigate it if you get stuck. So don't be afraid of Discord, it's a great platform. If any other news breaks, I will come back with you live if it's really big, or I'll bring you another update video later this evening if it's important. So stay tuned to the channel. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any breaking news in this case. And that's it for me right now, friends, so stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you soon.